Say hi.
Hi.
I love you.
Hi.
Talk to it. Look. Right here. Sing. Sing to it. I love you. I love you. Landon. Okay, honey. Oh, okay. No, don't hit buttons. No, don't do that. Okay. You want to dance for the camera? Dance. Ooh, boy. Hey, shake it, shake it, shake it. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? And your mouth? And your ear? Where's the duck in your belly? Oh, there's a duck in your belly? Is there a duck in your belly? There's a duck in Landon's belly. Is there a duck in your belly? Say, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
I did. I got.
You got socks?
I
Show them your socks.
got.
Show them your socks. Your socks.
Got.
You like socks? Ooh, you gonna take your socks off. You like taking your socks off? Why?
I got.
You tanky toes. Poo, stinky poo.
I got.
Don't smell it. Does your sock stink? It does. Just leave it off. You don't have to put it. Okay, I'll do it. Okay. Okay. If your socks stink, you need new socks. There you go.
Hi.
Say hi. Look up. Say hi. Say hey.
Hi.
How are you? A duck in your belly. Do you have a duck in your belly? Is there a duck in there? Go. Say Nana.
Nana.
Mo.
Mama.
Uncle Jay.
I got.
Mimi.
Maybe.
Nini.
Mimi.
Nini.
Mimi.
And then Papa.
Papa.
And say poop. Say a poop.
Baby.
A poop.
Baby.
A poop. Want to sing more? Sing. Oh, you sing pretty. Say hi.
Hi.
Wait.
Hi.
Hi. Can you say bye now?
Bye.
Say I love you.
Hi you.
And I miss you. Say I miss
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Wait a minute, say I miss you.
I love.
Say I miss you.
I love.
Say I love you.
I love.
I love you. What are you doing? What are you doing, Landon? Honey. What are you doing? Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.